So you pointed me to this next story. Huawei has teamed up with DVLA. Now, you can't see this side of the table unless Kirk cuts to the wide angle. This is the world-famous DVLA speaker. This is the gold version. This thing is expensive. It sounds amazing. It's very loud and exciting. And when you listen to it, the woofers over here, they wobble. I did a video on it once upon a time. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's a real feat of engineering. It's a bizarre-looking speaker, and it uses unusual materials in order to generate tremendous amounts of sound in an incredibly compact form factor. Now, this one is about $3,000, so not very many people are going to experience the capabilities, these capabilities. Will's showing you my reaction. It's pretty wild. It's a wild time. But they're kind of leveraging their expertise and leveraging their technologies and teaming up with Huawei in China exclusively. It's pretty cool. They're trying to put together a more approachable, more affordable smart speaker. And it's looking a lot, I'm going to be honest, it's looking a lot like the HomePod, the Apple HomePod. Of course, this one is black, but the shape is... Oh, I guess the HomePod is black as well. I guess you can get it in black or white.
Like the fabric on it.
Black fabric. It's almost the exact same shape as the HomePod. Huawei has unveiled the Sound X, a smart speaker built in conjunction with French hi-fi company DVLA. It's going to be a 360-degree sound, a 360-degree sound speaker with 60-watt double subwoofer. It's not going to sound like this. How can they can't put out a product at $300 that is going to be anywhere near the caliber of their product at $3,000. But who knows? Maybe it's, even if it's 50% of what this thing does, that's still pretty interesting. The downside here is that it's going to be a China-only release, at least for the time being. DVLA said the Sound X represents its first partnership in Asia and noted that China is its second largest region worldwide in terms of sales, probably after the US, I would guess. It's going to retail for $285, so not even $300. And at this point, it doesn't appear that it will ever show up in Western markets. There could be a couple of reasons for that. You know, people's sensitivities with Huawei, smart speakers, microphones.
Always listening.
So people have the apprehension. The news that keeps breaking in public doesn't help with those apprehensions. So it probably makes a lot of sense to keep this one China domestic. But if the sound is good enough and people start saying nice, positive things about it, maybe you just turn off the microphone. I don't know. You're probably still apprehensive, Will.
Will this have assistant? No, it wouldn't, right?
Well, how can you call it a smart speaker then? Oh, you mean Google Assistant?
Yeah.
No, it's going to have...
Some sort of Huawei variant?
No, wait. What will it have? That's a great question.
Oh, wait. Maybe...
Huawei's High-Link Smart Home Control.
Yeah.
And Xiaoyi Voice Assistant. Okay? And support for Huawei Music. Okay, Xiaoyi. Right? You pull that off, Will? Give me a shot at that.
Zowie?
Oh, Zowie?
No.
It's an X. You can't say that.
Like Xiaomi.
Yeah,
right?
Xiaomi. So it would be Xiaoyi.
Yeah.
So go ahead.
Xiaoyi?
Xiaoyi. It's Y-I. You got to say okay.
Right.
You got to say okay as well. We got to trigger everyone's Huawei smart speakers.
Okay, Xiaoyi.
Yeah, Willie do.
Jeez.
Willie do. That was rough, but you got it there.
Yeah,
You got there.
I made it.
You made it. It was all worth it. So it's got, of course, it's got the proprietary stuff in there. But it's interesting. Maybe DVLA starts collabing with more manufacturers and you get to see some more affordable price points and smaller form factors. They did do a small version of this, which we demoed as well. So it's a little bit less, but it was still incredibly premium in terms of price tag. $1,300 is the more affordable version of their speaker, which is just a Bluetooth speaker. It's not smart at all. Or I guess DVLA could also do its own smart speaker. They could team with Alexa or Google. Wait, does Google do third party? Yeah, I guess they could team with either. Go with either.